Educational qualifications of political representatives in India. Introduction. The recent controversy surrounding the termination of a tutor for advocating the voting of educated candidates has ignited a nationwide debate on the educational qualifications of political representatives in India. This video delves into the significance, variations, and implications of the educational qualifications of MPs, Members of Parliament, and MLAs, Members of Legislative Assembly, within India's diverse political landscape. Educational landscape of MPs in Lok Sabha. In the current Lok Sabha, a notable 72% of MPs have successfully completed their graduation. This data challenges the prevailing notion that political representatives in India are predominantly uneducated. Surprisingly, a tiny fraction, less than 0.5%, are classified as illiterate or just literate. This reveals that educational attainment among MPs is not as bleak as some might assume. Variations among state MLAs. When it comes to state MLAs, there are significant variations in educational qualifications. States like Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh boast the highest percentages of graduate MLAs. In contrast, states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Punjab exhibit lower proportions of educated MLAs. These disparities shed light on regional differences in the educational backgrounds of political representatives. Trends in educational qualifications of MLAs. A positive trend emerges as most states showcase a rising proportion of graduate MLAs. This indicates a gradual shift towards higher educational qualifications among elected representatives. However, it's worth noting that education data was unavailable for some years in specific states, potentially impacting the accuracy of these trends. Statutory provisions or lack thereof. The Indian Constitution does not contain specific provisions regarding the educational qualifications required for candidates participating in elections. Instead, the Representation of the People Act, RPA, of 1951 outlines the qualifications, disqualifications, and other essential aspects of elected representatives. As of now, candidates need to be residents of the country or a specific area/state from where they wish to stand, be at least 25 years of age, and not hold any office of profit. There are no prescribed educational or moral qualifications. The debate. Need for educational qualifications. Proponents argue that imposing educational qualifications could enhance the competence, understanding, and analytical skills of elected representatives, ultimately improving the quality of governance and decision-making. Many foreign countries with such requirements exhibit positive growth and maintain their social fabric. Opponents emphasize inclusivity and the representation of all sections of society. India's diverse demographics and socio-economic disparities make it crucial to avoid excluding marginalized groups and perpetuating elitism in politics. They argue that while education can be a marker of competence, it does not guarantee ethical conduct, dedication to public service, or the ability to understand the needs of various constituencies. The need for educated political representatives. 1. Informed decision-making. Education equips individuals with critical thinking skills, essential for analyzing complex issues and making informed decisions. 2. Policy formulation and analysis. Educated representatives can delve into various domains such as economics, law, science, and social issues, contributing to well-informed policy formulation and analysis. 3. Addressing complex issues. Modern societies face multifaceted challenges, and educated representatives are better equipped to comprehend and propose comprehensive solutions. 4. Communication and advocacy. Education enhances communication skills, enabling representatives to articulate complex ideas and encourage citizen engagement. 5. Effective lawmaking. An educated representative's legal literacy facilitates the crafting of well-structured, fair, and constitutionally sound legislation. Conclusion. The debate over the educational qualifications of political representatives in India remains complex, with valid arguments on both sides. While education can undoubtedly equip representatives with valuable skills, it's essential to strike a balance that ensures inclusivity and diverse representation in a country as diverse as India. Ultimately, the aim should be to have well-informed and dedicated leaders who can effectively address the nation's challenges and aspirations. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Explainium today and discover a whole new world of knowledge and understanding.